Hello everyone, this is David Soriano from HP. I'm the segment manager for healthcare solutions, and welcome to our orthotics and prosthetic booth that we also known as OMP. So at HP, we've been working in this industry for many years, developing solutions together with our partners. And we can say that today we're the leaders in the market when it comes to all the different applications in the orthotics and prosthetic space. We had very important milestones happening this year. For example, in the US, what we have seen is that the regulatory system is now starting to recognize 3D printed parts as parts that are equivalent or as good as the traditional market. This is something that will bring us a lot of new adoption and new applications that we'll be able to scale even more in the market. These are, again, learnings that we're going to be using to continue scaling in other markets beyond the US, but we're, again, seeing a lot of very successful applications. I wanted to share with some of you some of those applications. This is one of the applications that is scaling the most and the most attractive in the market. These are cranial devices for infants that are being printed with our MJF device using PA12 white. These are devices that babies are going to be wearing, so we want them to look nice for the parents to look at their babies. These devices are being worn during 23 hours a day, so they need to be comfortable, they need to be breathable. This is where you can see the structure, the lattice, the holes to make sure that this device is going to be comfortable, and do the treatment to make sure that you can correct the deformities in the head of that baby. Again, an application where we see a lot of scale in the market, and every single month we're seeing new players launching their own device in this space. Another great application that we have is one such as this one. These are called AFOs, ankle-foot orthosis. These devices are devices where we see a lot of material combination as well. In orthotics and prosthetics, it's extremely important to have, on one side, rigid materials that can deliver the performance that is needed from some of the parts, but at the same time, we also have flexible materials, which are also going to be making sure that we have good comfort for the patient. For this industry, what is extremely important is, again, the patient comfort and also the performance of the part. Thanks to 3D printing technology, what we can bring is these kind of designs that are going to make the part, again, lightweight, to make it more comfortable to wear for the patient, and at the same time repeatable, precise, and make sure that the patient will have the best time possible while wearing those treatment devices. And last but not least, the other part that I wanted to share with you is a part that is in the prosthetic space. You can see that this is done again with two materials, flexible internally to make it more comfortable, and externally rigid material to make sure that the part has the strength that it needs to withstand the weight of the patient. This has a system that also adapts to make sure that we get the last fitting, perfect fitting for the patient. If you come with me, I will be showing also another space where we are seeing good growth. It's in the veterinary space. So we're seeing more devices that are appearing in the veterinary OMP that are going to be used for our furry friends at home. And here we have devices that are, again, the same thing. We have some orthotic devices to treat some diseases of the pets. We have others that are to cover wounds on the pet to protect them for the recovery, and then we also have prosthetic devices for them. And last but not least, I wanted to make sure that you also meet our latest HP employee. This is Bob. Bob is a humanoid, fully printed with HP MJF. And on top of Bob, we are displaying a few different OMP applications that we see. So you can see from prosthetic legs, prosthetic arm, and also some orthotics for both the foot and the arm, and a protective helmet. Again, this is to show all the capabilities that we have from HP in terms of the design, full body printed with MJF, and also how those devices are customized and designed for them. Very important to mention as well, all of these devices are going to be patient specific. Every single device will be designed for that exact patient. So again, looking forward to see what's next for this segment. It is one of the key priorities for HP, and we're really seeing how the adoption continues to grow in the market as we continue to launch more applications. Thank you very much.